Good evening, children. Yes, I hope that yesterday's last two questions you all answered it. One question. That is, total surface area of a solid cylinder is 231 centimeters square. Curved surface area is 2/3 of the total surface area. Determine the radius of its base and height. Many of them immediately after the tuition has submitted the answers. Not many, few, only 5 to 6. I hope that others also answered it. I will go back to the worksheet question number 12 that I have to discuss. Question number 12 is a textbook question also. Okay, shall we start that? Later I will immediately start regarding solid figure 4. So here the students of Vidyalaya were asked to participate in a competition to make a pen holder. Pen holder, you should assume it is only closed in the bottom and open at the top. Is it clear? It is open at the top, closed at the bottom. So the total area required to make one pen holder is nothing but curved surface area of the cylindrical portion plus base area. No top area. Top is hollow. We have to insert the pen. Base it should be there to hold the pen. So the area required for the pen holder is base area plus its curved surface area. They have given the height of the pen holder is 10.5 centimeter and the radius it is given 3 centimeter. So what is the total area of cardboard required for the school to conduct competition for 35 competitors? This is the question. So get a small figure of the pen holder and then we write what is given, height and radius. Come on, get the small figure of this pen holder. It is open at the top and closed at the bottom. So we write total area of the pen holder. So they are preparing this pen holder using cardboard. So base area plus its curved surface area. Base area, since it is circular in shape, it is pi r square. Curved surface area 2 pi r h. Base area plus curved surface area. Usually for the total surface area we used to consider both top and bottom area, but it is a pen holder. In yesterday's class we did about the lamp shade where we consider only its curved surface area. This is pen holder. Here we consider only its base area. Is it clear? Pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Take out pi r as common, you get r plus 2h. So, when we do this taking of the common factor, the calculation will be much more easier. So, substitute pi value as 22 by 7, radius as 3, and then write here again 3 plus 2 into 21 by 2. Is it clear? Instead of taking 10.5, I took it as 21 by 2 so that we can cancel 2 like this. You will get 66 into 21 plus 3 is 24 by 7 centimeters square of cardboard. This is for one pen holder. The question is, if there were 35 competitors, how much cardboard required? Therefore, total area of cardboard. Total area of cardboard required equals 66 into 24 by 7 into 35. So that is the reason I kept 7 as it is, because it is divisible. 35 is divisible by 7. Now we have 7 5s are. So 66 into 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. Do the product, you will get so much centimeter square of cardboard required. Is it clear? First, we have to assume what what figure we require. It is a pen holder. Then you should assume it is closed at the bottom, open at the top. Then we have to write its area for one pen holder. Then we calculated into 35, so taken total area of the cardboard equals area required for one pen holder into 5. What you get? 12 6 are 72. 12 6 are 72 plus 7, 7920 centimeters square. Is that clear? Instead of dividing and keeping in decimal, I took it as it is, so that in the further calculation it will be easily cancellable. Is that clear? So after getting this, underline the answer and mention total area required for 35 computators equals 7920 centimeters square. Okay, shall I move on to the next question then? Next question, question number 11 of the same worksheet. Today's worksheet I didn't get. After the class I'll prepare and I'll send to you. The inner diameter of a circular well. So well is in the shape of cylindrical form like this. Always I'll give importance to the figure so that imagination you can keep it for a long time. This is a well. The inner diameter of the circular well, when d equals 7 by 2 meter, radius will be 7 by 4 meter. Is it clear now? Instead of taking 3.5, further dividing, keep it in decimal, I took it as a fraction form. When d is 7 by 2, its radius will be 7 by 2 divided by 2 will be 1 by 2. So 7 by 4 meter. So the inner diameter will become inner radius. And 10 meter deep, that is h equals 10 meter. Find the inner cut surface area. We know inner curved surface area of a well. I think many of you have not seen well. What is well? You might are wondering. Just go through any book to get the figure of a well. That is the reason I have here given the imagination of the well. Inner curved surface area, since it is cylindrical in shape, we consider as 2 pi r h. Later the given we have to find out the cost. Let us first calculate the inner curved surface area. What will you get? 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 by 4 into 10. This 7 get cancelled. 2 times 2, 11 times 110 meters square. This is the first answer. Now later they asked, calculate the cost of plastering the skirt surface area at rupees 40 per meter square. Don't suddenly write into 40, put up that in statement, that is 1 meter square cost of plastering. We require all the thing in detail like this. Plastering is rupees 40. Therefore, total cost of plastering equals 110 into 40. You get 4,400 rupees. So you will get another few questions of application method in terms of cylinder when we complete the volume part. Attached to the volume question you will get this surface area regarding the cylinder. Now I will move on to the next unit, that is surface areas, curved surface areas of the solid cone. Because when the combination of volume and surface area, again you will get few more questions. Since I have not touched the volume formula, we will move on to the next solid, namely cone. Have you all completed? If you are completed, next write up the heading curved surface area and curved surface area of a cone. Please take the heading. And get the figure of a cone. I will show you the parts involved in the solid cone. Along with the vertical height, you will have a slant height in solid cone. Okay. So this is a solid cone. The base of the cone is circular in shape, and from the vertex, if you draw a perpendicular, that will be the vertical height. What we say? Vertical height. Perpendicular to the base. H. And this portion, the curved surface part of the line, we call it as slant height. Get the figure and write the details. Slant height. And this is base radius. Base radius. Vertical height H, slant height L, base radius R. And we have the formula. Slant height can be calculated using the formula root of R square plus H square units. Because it is perpendicular to the base, slant height can be calculated. So you should keep in mind, vertical height is different from slant height. Vertical height is the perpendicular from the vertex to the base. Slant height is the slant portion of its curved surface area L. L is different from H. Okay. Now we have curved surface area. Curved surface area of a cone equals pi r L unit square. Curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h. Curved surface area of a cone is pi r L. Next, total surface area. Total surface area of a cone. It is consisting base area plus its slant area. That is curved surface area plus base area. Taking pi r as common, r plus L unit square. Pi r into r plus L. This is total surface area. This is curved surface area. Underline the formula along with the figure. Write each part of the conical part, solid cone. Please recall right from cube and cuboid and the cylinder. Now the fourth solid is cone and one more solid left, it is sphere. There further you have hemisphere also. Okay. So repeat all the formulas again and again so that there won't be any confusion. If you imagine the right figure of the solid, you can easily recall the suitable formula to calculate. Okay? Is that clear to everybody? Now, with this application of formula, we have problems like how we did for cylinder, cone, cylinder, cube and cuboid. Okay, na? Shall we start now? Put the question number 1 for cone part. Again, 5 to 6 are getting absent regularly. I am observing. If it's continue, then there won't be any classes at all. Yes, Punya, with Punya, she is present today. What about Vismaya, Shravya, Aishani, Aditi Shetty, Maulya, Prajwal, Monish, Dhanya. And few names I'm not remembering all the time. I should call. Then only they will come for this. Aditya present? Is Aditya present? Aditi Shetty? Adya from NPS? Nishant present? Aryan GM? Prajwal, Bhuvan, Divya, Grishma, Hansini, Tanya, Kevin. I'm not finding Kevin. I think he is having exam. Kaushik, Kusum, Lohit. What about Lohit K? Madhumita, Dhruti, Maulya, Raghavi, Punya, Samhita, Sonika Prasad, Shrikant Aras. Shrikant Aras present. Varshat, Varshini, Varshat, Varshini, Yashas from DMS, Yashas from St. Joseph. But still I am finding 5 children are absent here. Aditya, Aditya absent. Yes, children. Thank you. I will proceed. Rachana, Rachana from St. Joseph. Rachana. Yes, Kevin, very good. Rachana from St. Joseph present? No. Yashas from St. Joseph? Yashas from DMS is always present. Please, Yashas, come and take your reference one paper, assignment paper. Long back you have kept, you are not able to come over here. Huh? Please. Yashas Manjunath, absent. Okay, we'll carry. Thank you, children. We'll have the question now, starting from first question. Find the curved surface area of a cone if its slant height is 60 centimeter, radius of its base is 21 centimeter. Direct application. Okay. Get the details of the question. You will get the question as a worksheet after the class. Okay. I didn't time to do that. It is given, you have to find out curved surface area of a cone is question mark, where its slant height L is given 60 centimeter and base radius, please take down these points, base radius R equals 21 centimeter. So what is required? What is given? First part you have to write. Yes, Maulya, I noted. But still again absent. Absentees are there. Curved surface area of a cone, you have the formula. Write up the formula. Curved surface area of a cone equals pi RL, that is 22 upon 7, 21 into 60. Cancel this, get the product, keep the answer in centimeter square. Come on. Is the board is clear to everybody? What is the answer? 3960 centimeter square. You will get 66 into 60. It is 6 6 are 36. 3960 centimeter square. Sometime you can do the calculation there itself. or use the working column to show the answer. Question number 2 is clear to everybody? Knowing what is required and writing what is given in the beginning and mentioning suitable formula, substituting relevant values, you can get the correct answer. Okay? Shall I proceed to the next question then? Shall I proceed? Yes. Next. The radius of a cone is 5 centimeter. So we write radius R as 5 centimeter. Vertical height H equals 12 centimeter. Find the area of curved surface. Curved surface area of cone is question mark. To calculate curved surface area, what is required? What's the formula and what is required apart from the given thing? We require what we require, children? L, yes. So to calculate L, we apply the formula root of R square plus H square, where R is 5 square, H is 12 square. Substitute, that is what you get, 25 plus 144, it is root of 169. What is the root of 169? What is the root of 169? It is 13 centimeter. So we have L, we know R. Now calculate. Therefore, curved surface area of a cone equals pi RL. 22 by 7, radius 5, slant height 13. 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 plus 11 into 13 by 7. Get the product and divide it by 7. 110 into 13 divided by 7. What will you get? 1430 by 7. Now divide and find the quotient. What is the answer? Seven twos are 14, 7 fours are 28, 7 twos are 14, 7 eights are correct. Please check your answer. You have to show the working in the working column. Then you have to check your answer from the board. Don't straight away take the answer from the board, because every student require their own calculation. Okay? 204.28 centimeter square is the curved surface area of a cone. Okay, children, it's clear to everybody? It's clear. Are you all following it or not? Yes. Okay. Next question. The radius of a cone is 7 centimeter. Radius of a cone equals 7 centimeter. And curved surface area is 176 centimeter square. Find the slant height of the cone. Very simple question. Slant height L equals question mark. First of all, you have to write up what and all given in the statement we have taken now. So now we have the formula. Curved surface area equals 176. That is pi r L equals 176. L equals 176 by pi r. L equals 176 by 22 into 7 into 7. Please cancel this. 11 2s are, 11 1s are, 11 6s are. L equals 8 centimeter. Yes. So at the end you write, therefore slant height equals 8 centimeter. Yes. Over. Another very simple question. Find the curved surface area of a cone. Find the curved surface area of a cone. That is question mark. Base radius R equals 5.25 centimeter. Slant height 10 centimeter. Slant height L equals 10 centimeter. I think you are able to answer this question. Come on, calculate. Curved surface area equals pi r L. Curved surface area. Don't only write CSA. CSA of which solid you have to mention. Curved surface area of a cone equals pi r L. Substitute and find out the answer. What is the answer, children? Yes, 165 centimeters square. Yes, very good. Bhuvan correct, Prajwal correct, Aishani correct. Yes. I hope that you are all very fast enough to do the calculation. 22 by 7 into 5.25 into 10. 7 7s are 49, 7 5s are 35, 22 into 7.5. I think correct. So you will get 165 centimeter square. Next question. Yes, shall I proceed now? The curved surface area of a cone, curved surface area of a cone is 4070 centimeters square. 4070 centimeters square, and its diameter is 70 centimeters. So radius will be half of the diameter, that is 35 centimeter. What is its slant height? What is its slant height? Yes, substitute to the formula, obtain the value of L, slant height. First write curved surface area of a cone. So before answering, this is must. What is given, what you have to find it out. Okay. Curved surface area of a cone is 4070 centimeters square. Please follow the steps as it is. Now here you write pi r. L equals 4070. L equals 4070 by pi into r. Substitute the value of pi as well as radius. 22 by 7, radius is 35. Come on, calculate. Slant height is 37 centimeter. Yes. So here 11 twos are, 11 threes are, 11 sevens are, 7 fives are, 5 twos are 10 will get cancelled. So slant height equals 37 centimeter. These are all direct question, 1 mark, 2 marks question. Sometime for MCQ question, you have to do the calculation in the working column and write the right answer in the optional part. Is it clear? Here it is given. The area of the curved surface area of a cone, curved surface area of a cone equals 60 pi. Please note down. Curved surface area of a cone is 60 pi centimeter square, and the slant height L equals 8 centimeter. Calculate the radius of the cone. They have given curved surface area, slant height. We have to calculate its radius. Again, use the formula. Curved surface area equals 60 pi centimeter square. That is pi RL equals 60 pi. We can cancel this pi. We require R. Divide it by 8. What is the answer? Yes, 7.5 centimeter. Only 4 have got out of 27. Only 6 got the answers. Okay? Yes. Next question. Now, this is the question regarding the ratio. Okay? Even in yesterday's cylinder also we worked out problems based on ratio. The radius and slant height of a cone. Radius R and slant height. Radius and slant height of a cone are in the ratio 4:7. Its curved surface area is 792 centimeters square. Find its radius. So the radius and slant height are in ratio. Whenever it is in ratio, we should consider along with the ratio the product of a constant term x. So like that, we take it as radius equals 4x, slant height equals 7x. Now curved surface area equals 792 centimeters square. That is pi RL equals 792. Now along with the pi value, let us substitute 22 by 7 into radius is 4x into 7x equals 792. These 7 get cancelled. What we have? 88x square equals 792. X into x, x square, 22 into 4, 88. Therefore, x square equals 792 by 88. How many times it goes? What you will get? 792 divided by 88. Where is 12 centimeters square? x square equals 9, x equals 3, therefore radius equals 4 into 3, it is 12 centimeter. So these are all short type of question. Okay. You may get continuation, calculate its volume, calculate its vertical height, find the radius and slant height, calculate its total surface area. Now basically I am making you to work out like this very simple question. From the given version only one step of application here. Okay. From the given area what you have to calculate, that's all. Further, when doing more number of problems, then you will get an idea how can we interlink the volume and surface areas, total surface area and its parts in the problem. Okay. So now since they ask only the radius, we substitute to 4 into 3. Suppose if they ask the height, 7 into 3. Okay. Is it clear? Next question. This is a joker's cap. A joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone. Have you all observed anywhere? The joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius. This is a joker cap like this. Wherever you go for any birthday cap like this, you have joker cap like this. Okay. This is the elastic to tie up. Simply for your recreation I am doing. Don't take it. Just take a conical shape joker cap where it has only curved surface area and the bottom is hollow. We cannot take the base area because to hold it on the head it should be open in the base. Okay. A joker cap is in the form of a cone of base radius 7 centimeter and the height is 24 centimeter. Find the area of sheet required to make 10 such caps. Since it is conical in shape, to calculate the curved surface area, we require its slant height, that is root of r square plus h square. You will get root of 7 square plus 24 square. What is 7 square? 49 plus 576. It is 625. The square number of 625 is 25 centimeters. So we got the slant height. Now using L and knowing R, we can find out first what is the sheet required to make one such cap. Into 10 gives a total answer. Okay. Area of sheet required. Area of sheet required for one cap. Since only its curved surface area is required, not the base area, so we consider it is pi r n. 22 upon 7 into 25. Cancel this. 25 twos are 50. 25 twos are 50 plus 5. 550 centimeters square. But we require what is the total sheet for 10 such caps? Calculate the answer. Area of sheet required for one cap is 550. Therefore, for 10 such caps, Somebody has written into 10. That I know. I need final answer. 550 into 10. What you get? It is rupees 5,500. I'm sorry, 5,500 centimeters square. Total sheet required to make 10 such caps. You can try a joker's cap by folding that in a conical shape. There you will get why we are not considering only this, not base, only the top, because it has an open part to hold it on the head. Is it clear? Like lampshade, what we consider, it is both open at the top and the bottom. And today's beginning class we consider pen holder, it is base is covered, not the top. Like that, joker's cap have no base, only the top cut surface area is required. We can calculate total surface area of a joker's cap having the base. Base is not necessary. Okay, na? Are you following now? Is that clear? So all these questions are very simple now. One hot question I will put, okay, is a combination of two solids. What is the previous problem? Which is the previous problem I have given? The radius of the cone is 4 into 3, 12 centimeter. You will get 3 and the ratio is 4x. 4 into 3 is 12 centimeter. Okay. Okay, now shall I proceed to the next question? A tent is in the form of a right circular cylinder. This is base of the tent. Surmounted by a cone like this. A tent is in the form of a right circular cylinder surmounted by a cone. The diameter of the cylinder is 24. So directly I am taking the radius as 12 centimeter. The height of the cylindrical portion is 11 meter. This is also in meter. And while the vertex of the cone is 16 meter above the ground. So total 16 meter. Total height of the tent is 16 meter. Where we have up to here it is 11 meter. So the height of this is 5 meter. Is it clear to everybody? So this is a combination of a tent, that is by cylindrical portion and a conical portion. Can you see the top of the figure? Yes? Okay. So it is a combination of cone and the cylinder. Instead of giving height of the cone, they are given The vertex of the cone is 16 meter above the ground. So total height of the tent is given. From that height of the cylinder, if you subtract, you will get height of the cone. Okay. Now total area of this means we consider the curved surface area of the cone and curved surface area of the cylinder. There is no base. It is hollow. This portion they used to keep a table or chair arrangement. Only the part we should calculate is its curved surface area and the top conical area. Is it clear? Is it clear? To L we require root of r square plus h1 square. That is root of 12 square plus 5 square. It is root of 144 plus 25. It is root of 169 13 meter. So again I am repeating, though in the question they are given calculate the total area of the tent. That means only curved surface area of the cone and curved surface area of the cylinder, because in between there is no space for that. It is hollow only. So now write total area of the tent. Tent is a combination of cylinder at the base, conical at the top, equals curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. That is 2 pi RH plus pi RL. Curved surface area of a cone is pi RL. Curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. Let us take out pi R, which is common in both the term. Now we substitute the pi value 22/7, the radius value 12, and height. This is height of the tent, 2 into 11, slant height 13. 12 twos are 24, 12 twos are 24 plus 2 by 7 into 22 plus 13. 244, I'm sorry, 264 by 7 into 35. Cancel, get the answer in centimeter square. Get the product. One 1320 meters square. Total area means we use the unit meter square or square meter. Is it clear for you all? It is a combination of cylinder and a conical portion above it. So such type of question you will get it for 4 marks, where the required slant head we have to calculate and then write what are the part we are adding it, later substitution of the formula and writing the simplified form and the final answer. It is 1320 centimeter square. Is clear? Same type of question I will give. Okay. Yes. A circus tent, which is the question number now, please tell me. Question number 12 or 11? Question number 10. Okay. A conical tent, same type of figure here also, but I will do it again. A conical tent is cylinder with a height of 3 meter and conical above it. If its diameter is 105, so D equals 105 meter, radius will be 105 by 2 meter. Okay. And the slant height of the portion already given, no need of calculating. It is 53 meter. Calculate length of the canvas 5 meter wide to make the tent. That is, you will get the length of the cloth by calculating the total area of this cone as well as cylinder. Dividing by its width of the cloth, you will get the length of the canvas required. Please take the figure and remaining part here it is up to here it is same. Total area of the tent equals curved surface area of the cylinder plus curved surface area of the cone. They have given, when we calculate, you will get a area of the cloth required. This is L and this is B. Now they are asking what length when the breadth is 5 meter. That means to get the length of the cloth, you have to divide from total area, dividing by its breadth or width of the cloth, you will get length of the cloth. Okay, only change is that much. So now take out pi r as common, 2h plus L, that is 22 by 7. I will take r as 105 by 2 instead of keeping in decimal, and 2 into 3 plus 53. Is it clear? Like previous question, here no need of calculating the slant height. Question itself they are given, it is slant height. Now cancel 11 times, cancel 15 sides. So now 11 into 15, 3 2s are 6 plus 53. 11 into 15 into 15, 9. You will get so much centimeter square. So you need the product. After getting the product, now we require length of the cloth required. Length of cloth equals total area divided by width of the cloth. Width of the cloth. So let us calculate total area of the cloth required. What is 11 into 15 into 59. What is the product? Yes, very good. 9735 centimeters square. Now they have given how much length of the cloth required if the width of the cloth is 3 meter wide. So now total area is 9735, dividing it by width of the cloth is 5 or 3. It is 5 meter. Now do the division. 5 meter cloth, it is correct. 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are 45, 5 fours are 28, 5 sevens are 35. 1947 meter. Here no area, that is meter. It's clear now why should we divide it by width of the cloth. After getting the total area of the cloth required, that is L into B. We require L. So total area divided by width of the cloth, you will get length of the cloth. Okay, na? Is that clear to everybody? Is that clear to everybody? Instead of giving answer, they are jumping and telling thank you means see you tomorrow. All those sentences they will give up. They don't want to continue the further questions. Is okay? You are also tired of. So now try to go through the textbook question, whichever questions is possible you can answer. Tomorrow I will continue with few more questions. Is that clear? Thank you children. See you in the next class.